Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video, you can kind of see already that I'm hinting out in the background right here. We have some lovely Tarmac cards right here of this specific car, which is the Koenigsegg CC850. I have two cards right here, which means that in today's video, we will be checking out we'll be reviewing the Koenigsegg CC850, which we have right here. And here is the box. Tarmac, Koenigsegg CC850. There's the Koenigsegg and there's the side artwork right there. Top half is actually like a new design right now by Tarmac. Sort of like this light parallel design, which I like. Some like lines going towards one area. And it actually says Koenigsegg right here, as you can tell. You have this lovely like design going throughout the box, very nice. You have the gray colored CC850 right there, very nice. White and also this sort of like light gray. Tarmac CC850. On the side right here it says Koenigsegg Global 64, and over on this side you just see the back of the car. And then moving on the top, you have your Koenigsegg Ghost logo right there, and you can see it. There it is, right there, very nice. The almost like ghost emblem or so, if people say it. At the back right here, it says CC850, and then you have some more designs right there, very nice. Moving towards the bottom of the box, colored in white. Tarmac works, Tarmac for good, manufactured by Tarmac Management Limited. Small size, big heart, 1/64 scale Koenigsegg right there, CC850. And colored in silver, made in China. And there are your Tarmac socials. And yeah, without further ado, let's open this up. Now I know this video is a bit late, I understand that. I mean, there were things here and there that I need to go through, and technically right now the orange one has been released in many places, many stores. And currently now I'm reviewing this silver one right here, which looks very nice. Very cool looking CC850 right here. Colored in sort of like metallic silver, made by Tarmac. Love the rims on this one. They actually replicated from the real car itself, which is very nice. Now, behind the Tarmac cards that I showed you guys just now, there is some information that I can read out to you guys about this car, since it already has information, so better just take a look and know more about the car. So this car is has an engine which is a twin turbo aluminium engine, and it's a V8 of course, and the total displacement is 5 liters. So it goes up to 7,800 RPM, which is very nice. And then the torque, oh yeah, just now was the output, and then the torque is 4,800 RPM, which is nice. And this car is surprisingly rear wheel drive. Transmission, 9-speed transmission. And then for the tires, for the fronts is 265/35 and 325/30. So the length of this car is 4,364 millimeters, which is quite long. I mean, not so long, but still very cool. Width is 2,024 millimeters. Interesting. Height is 1,127 millimeters, and for the weight, it is basically 1,385 kilos, and yeah, the capacity is only for 2 people, as this is a 2-seater hypercar. Unlike the Gemera, which we have basically 4 seats, if you don't know, and 2 doors. This one, on the other hand, has 2 doors, and I believe they open upwards, if I'm not mistaken, pretty much similar to the Koenigsegg Jesko. Jesko. This CC850 is quite a fast-looking hypercar. It's actually based off of an old Koenigsegg back at the time. They actually redesigned it. Mr. Koenigsegg himself basically they went through a redesign so that they can have like sort of a successor to that car, and well, here it is, and it looks very nice. Very basically it's a lot of aerodynamics here and there. You can see the shape of the car is less boxy compared to the older ones. The shape remains, like mainly on the side, it remains a lot, the shape of the car. The like rear lights and headlights totally changed a lot compared to the older one, and I kind of like it. I mean, it looks overall really nice. The car, it's not a complaint, it's very cool. But yeah, this one in particular, this version that Tarmac made, colored in silver, actually does not have its wing spoiler up. Wing or spoiler, depends on what you call it. Compared to the orange one, which just released, actually has its wing up compared to this one. It's actually two different things. So yeah, I understand that they're trying to make it similar to the card that they actually release, Tarmac cards. Yeah, sadly you have the wing closed, and basically that's your only flaw. And other than that, I still really like the car. The dimensions, the design of the car is very nice. And yeah, let's actually take a close look at it, since we're already talking about the details of the car. So here we have the Koenigsegg CC850 in this lovely looking sort of like metallic silver. Right here we have the car, and it looks awesome. Now we talk about the wheels. Like I mentioned just now, they have nice looking rims. We have sort of like 5 round circles all over the rims, and it kind of reminds me of a certain Lamborghini. Back at the time, they actually have these 5 circular rims, which are interesting. Each rim does have a hole, of course. They actually have the design of the rims pretty much similar to the older Koenigsegg, so that's actually pretty cool, in dark gray. Then you have rubber tires as usual. You can see right here you have an intake on the side, and I believe it comes out somewhere at the back so that you have your aerodynamics as per usual. I think it comes out from here, I'm not sure. Anyways, that's a cool little detail. And then here, I think it says CC850, yeah it is, colored in black, right here beneath the rubber side mirror, so you better be aware of that. It's rubber, so be careful. You have your door right here on the side, which is nice. You have a pretty clean looking side view, which is cool. Moving towards the front of the car, we do have your detailed headlights right here, which are transparent and basically lensed out headlights, which are nice. Really do like it. And then we have the Koenigsegg logo right there. We have the front grille and front splitter right here. Front spoiler, front splitter of course, colored in sort of like a dark gray, which is nice. You have your, I think, grille down here, which is nice. Overall, the front looks extremely clean. I really do like that. You have some more vents here and there, and then you have your cockpit view right here, which is one whole plastic transparent piece towards the door as well. Towards the side window. So yeah, it is left-hand drive. So blacked out interior, blacked out dashboard, blacked out seats. You do have your this should be your like window wiper, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And then on top of it, you can see the roof right here, which you do still have that window right here, just in the middle part. Just interesting. There's the window, pretty nice, curve right there. And then yeah, basically that's it for your roof. Moving towards the side, pretty much similar, not much of a difference, which is very nice. But yeah, I actually forgot to show you the blacked out side skirt right here on the side, which looks great, colored in black, and some more on the front, which is nice. Just to show you here before we move on to the back, you can actually see the Koenigsegg Ghost logo right there at the back, which is neat, colored in black. And then you do have your rear spoiler, which is not up, surprisingly. It's just in its ready position. It's not actually in its speeding position, as you can tell. You have your supports here actually colored in dark gray. It's interesting. Then you have your red rear lights right here, like triple rear lights, sort of like triple circular rear lights right here. Then you have your Koenigsegg logo and Koenigsegg text right there, which is nice. And then you do have your main rear diffuser right here colored in black, blacked out at the bottom right here, which looks nice. You have your exhaust right here in the middle, which is great. Sadly not really detailed much. That's a shame, but still pretty cool to see. So you have your metal blacked out base right here. Tarmac works. What does that say? Koenigsegg CC850 made in China. Overall, I'm quite impressed with the car. The details of the car is just magnificent. For a hypercar at this sort of price range, I'd say if you are typically a Koenigsegg fan, then you should get your hands on it. This is not the first time that Tarmac has released a Koenigsegg. In fact, I've done a review before. It would be the blue colored Koenigsegg Jesko Attack colored in dark blue. That is also a magnificent hypercar, I would say. And before that, it would be the Agera RS, which I don't have actually, but then that is also a fantastic model. It actually does come with the engine bay that actually opens up. Actually, the rear, I wouldn't say hood, but more to like the rear of the car, it actually opens up so that you can reveal the beautiful looking engine, which is nice. But sadly, of course, this one and the Jesko does not have those, but still it's a pretty nice car to add to your collection. And yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Koenigsegg CC850 made by Tarmac Works. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.